fuck! Holy hell, and, Oh.
We're back in my room, and I am still like this.
Oh, yeah, I kind of forgot you're in that tall, giant form, or tall... I don't know how to call it for a budget increase. Yeah, sorry about the, like, you turning into a giant that's something that's been, like, you going crazy, or whatever, that Sin taken over, or whatever.
I blame Sin for that.
Facts. Facts for that. And, what the hell happened to me?
You became a disassembly drone, clearly.
Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm guessing this is kind of like a budget increase or replacement model. That's kind of cool, though. Not gonna lie.
Let's say a replacement, I guess.
That's what I just said.
The question is, how do I get back to my normal height, at least, so I can get out of the door?
Right, I'm still figuring out that part. I think it might actually be wearing off until, like, tomorrow morning? Or tomorrow night, I think? Wait, what time is it on Copper 9? Oh, I can see screens. What the hell?
I just click on my computer. You can see the time on that.
Just don't log into it or anything. My dad already doxes me enough.
Oh, yeah, let me just, Yeah, I'm seeing computer frames on my eyes, or... Is this a monitor? Ah. Gotta be careful not touching the glass.
Those are your eyes.
Facts. Alright, let's see what we have here. Okay, I guess... 9 p.m.? Huh. Copper 9's timeline is basically kind of like different, or time zones, and,
I mean, this isn't Earth or anything, you know?
Contrary to most human times.
Who's he?
What is it? I swear Sin did something.
What the fuck is this?
Don't open that!
I didn't mean to. I didn't know. Okay, I didn't know. I promise. Hold on. I'll accept this. Hold on. I'll accept this. There. Okay. PTSD warning. Okay. I should probably not look at that. That's a PTSD warning. Yeah, that's a PTSD warning. I am so sorry that I clicked that.
It's fine, just... Should have clearly said that I had stuff on my computer that was, you know, like that.
I'm starting to feel like you might actually need some help. Well, kinda help-ish. Can you try and get off your bed and try maybe stand up?
Alright.
Careful, don't fall.
No, just... Okay. Less uncomfortable.
Well, it is less uncomfortable, hopefully. But hey, you're basically fitting the room. Not bad. Not gonna lie. Ish. I'm gonna see if I can find another...
Here. Use this.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go out. You stay here, and, I'll see if I can find anything to turn you back to normal. Wish me luck. What? Wait, who might know something?
I think Ed might know something.
Okay.
Sin the longest.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go that way to see, if there's anything I can find. You stay right there. Also, where the hell are the rest of the murder drones? I'm getting, like, basically
Somewhere, I don't know.
I think there's 4 actually, it's me, including you, and there's 2 drones, and... You know what? I'm gonna go that way. You stay right there. It's just, don't bump in the head! Okay, gotta go. Okay, so far so good in this place, hopefully. Thank God. What was in here? Let's take a look. And, oh. Not for fuck's sake.
Assembly drone.
What the crewmen say about murder drones?
Yo, wait, hold a minute. Who
Uh,
are you?
Razor Sorku, and, you must be V. From the Murder Drones universe. I'm guessing.
I borderline do not understand a word that you just said apart from your name. Why do you have Uzi's gun?
Yeah, good question. Great question. So, I brought Uzi back so you can stop the search. She's in her room, but En's not gonna like it.
Why?
Okay, so I may or may not brought her to the Multi-Raspberries YouTube channel. You know, the universe that I just, I was born here. So,
So where you come from, yada yada, do get to the point.
yeah, to the point. Here's the thing. She has I would say, budget increase. So, she has a budget change. That for some reason, she's big. And, right now, she's in her room, and she's still tall. So...
Well, if I'm deducing this properly, which I usually am,
Why am I getting the feeling you're about to kill me?
because you're the one who did it.
Okay, listen, that was an accident, okay? We have no idea what happened. Okay, I don't literally know what happened. Okay, please, for the love of God. No. Wait, what? Wait, what was her name? V? Wait, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please.
Come back here.
No. Oh, for fuck's sake, I'm in dead end. I'm in corner. Don't kill me, please. Please.
You may look like a disassembly drone, but you still are the height of a worker.
I don't
I'm
know.
quite hungry.
Stand back! I got a gun! Or probably a rail gun, but I'm not afraid to use it!
Yeah.
What the?
What?
What? Oh, for God's sake, not another budget increase! For fucking sake, Kermit! Great, now it's infecting the Multi-Raspberries, and now it's also infecting the Murder Drones universe. For God's fucking sake. Oh no. Okay, don't be alarmed. V, you might basically have a slight budget change, but I guarantee that this is oh no. No, V, stand back. I got a real gun. Fucking sake. Ah! I
You're
was.
the one who did that to Uzi. Now look at me.
Look, I didn't do anything. It was not my fault. I am not responsible for this. Please, for the love of God, don't. Please. Don't do this. Okay, why is it glitching? Okay, why am I?
Uzi built that thing to use it the way that she only uses it.
Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what? What is this? Wait, what does this do? Override shot? Wait, what is it over? Okay, why is it changing color? Ah! Shoot!
You lunatic!
Sorry.
That's it. I'm not playing nice anymore.
Oh fuck. Yeah, fuck it. Okay, your real gun. Okay, Uzi, your real gun is glitching out. I don't know why. Fuck that. Fuck! Wait, why am I getting a feeling about to get taller for some reason? Wait. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, for fuck's sake, now she knows how to use it. I don't know how to fly. I don't know how to fly. I don't know how to fly. What does this do? What does this do? Okay, why do I have wings? Okay, fuck it. Ow! Oh no.
15 minutes later.
Now you're somewhere. Come out? Razor, was it?
Why am I trying to hunt for just a simple worker disguised as a disassembly drone? Unbelievable. Completely unbelievable. If Sin were still here, she would reprimand me for this. This farm is quite useful, I can say that at the least.
No, come on, come on, come on. Pick up. Oh, there it is. Ah, my eye. Kermit!
Oh, YOLO, this is Kermit.
Kermit! I need help. I'm stuck in the Murder Jones universe.
Okay,
And,
like,
I gotta get
Razor,
myself
slow down. You're... Oh.
got myself a little in a tight situation.
Try to, like...
I need you to get me the fuck out of here right now.
Okay.
This little rat went outside. Shame.
Yeah, I'll try to get you some help. Just don't get yourself killed or anything.
Okay, I'll see you back in the multiverse first, bud. Call you later. Okay.
Hey, Kermit.
What's up?
We got a problem.
What's the problem?
We got, like, a big problem.
Like, what is it?
We gotta get Razor back home. He's, trapped in the Murder Drones universe and is being hunted down by V.
Ah, fuck. Well, in any case, we should probably collect the Dragon Balls and get him out of here. Actually, you know what? That might actually cost a fortune. Let me just do, like, the, like, looking up in the sky thing, look at a Purunga out of the sky, and then go, like, that's gonna cost a fortune. Off screen time. Hey, Purunga! Can you get Razor back to the MRV universe?
I guess a little tippy top can work. Ow! My screen. Outside. Screen effect. Get me the fuck out of here! Kermit, get me the fuck out of here!
The hell just happened? Where'd that little drone run off to? Quite strange. Just imagining it. Whatever the case may be, this farm can prove quite useful.
V? What happened to you?
And,
Why are you like this? What happened?
long story short, I know where Izzy was.
Oh, really? Where is she?
Well, she's in her room now, apparently. I was hunting some little weird wannabe worker disassembly drone hybrid named Razor. He had something to do with it, clearly, from what he said.
Huh. Well, that ain't good.
But I chased him out here and he's just gone.
Huh. Oh. Well, I'm gonna go. Well, I'm gonna go see Uzi.
Alrighty then.
Hey, Uzi, welcome back.
Ian?
Ah! What the? How the fuck?
Welcome back.
MRV Kermit, what happened? Like, huh? Where the hell? What happened? Where am I?
I'll say, you're back in the the Razverse. You're home safe. I will tell you this: we did have to use quite a bit of the budget, off-screen time, but we got you back. Don't worry about it.
Wow. Well, thank God for that. You saved me from simping from the drone.
For now, Razor. For now.
Eagle. Guess who has returned with a firmware update?
Well, great. Now it's starting to become a goddamn fuckbag.